Hi trainees, welcome. In this session, we'll be learning about the ergonomic principle of sitting on sewing machine. At the end of this session, you'll be able to know about the sewing machine, list the major parts in sewing machine and describe the correct sitting position. Let us get started by knowing about the sewing machine. Sewing machines are available in a variety of different styles and configurations, and most are operated using foot pedal. Most sewing machines are capable of creating a variety of different stitches, including specialty stitches such as buttonholes. Sewing machines draw thread from two sources to create a strong stitch in fabrics and accommodate heavy-duty fabrics with the right choice of needles. Sewing machine needles are available in different lengths and thickness to accommodate different applications. Sewing machines in various models such as domestic model, tailor model, industrial model, portable model, and cabinet model are available in the market. When you buy a sewing machine, select one that is made by a well-known manufacturer. The sewing machine may be operated by hand, treadle, or electric motor. Good work can be done in a hand machine, but it is slower than a treadle, which leaves both hands free to manipulate the fabric. An electric sewing machine is ideal, being less strenuous and quicker to use because the hands are free to manipulate the fabric. Most of the parts are common in all sewing machines. Each machine has a machine head and machine bed, while the stand and its part is a typical feature of the treadle sewing machine. The parts of the head are tension nut, tension disc, eyelet, thread take-up spring, thread take-up lever, thread guide, needle, presser foot, needle plate, slide plate, needle bar, pressure bar, stitch regulator lever, stitch regulator lock screw, bobbin winder thread guide, bobbin winder, balance wheel, spool pin, needle clamp, presser foot screw, feed dog, and face plate. Tension nut tightens the tension on the discs in the tension unit that the upper thread goes through. Tension disc is a simple mechanism where two concave discs are put together with the convex sides facing each other. The thread passes between the two. The tension of the thread is adjusted by a spring and a nut, which increases or decreases the pressure on the disc, that is, the thread. Thread take-up spring lets out the thread being pulled by the hook and relieves the strain on the thread. Thread take-up lever is fitted to the body of the arm, which receives its up and down motion from the front. There are two functions of this lever: to feed the thread to the needle, to tighten the loop formed by the shuttle. Thread guide holds the thread in position from the spool to the needle. Needle. Sewing machine needles are of various types. Needles are selected according to their application. The sizes mainly depend on the structure of the fabric and the sewing threads used. The upper part of the needle is called the shank. The lower part is called the shaft. One side of the shank is flat and the other side is round. On the round side is the groove, which guides the thread while forming the stitch and protects it against excessive friction. Presser foot is attached to the presser bar and it holds the cloth firmly in position when lowered. Needle plate or throat plate is a semicircular plate with a hole to allow the needle to pass through it. Slide plate is a rectangular plate that can be slide open to remove or insert the bobbin case. Needle bar is a steel rod which holds the needle at one end with the help of the clamp. Pressure bar holds the pressure foot. Stitch regulator controls the length of the stitch. Some regulators can be set to stitch in reverse. Bobbin winder thread guide enables to wind the thread to retain some tension while winding the bobbin. Bobbin winder facilitates the winding of thread on the bobbin. Some are made to stop automatically when the bobbin is full. Balance wheel rotates the upper drive shaft for machine operation, which causes the needle and hook to move in a manner that produces stitches. Spool pin holds the spool of thread. Needle clamp holds the needle in place. It can be loosened and tightened when removing and attaching the needle. Presser foot lever is a lever attached to the presser bar for raising and lowering the presser foot. Feed dog consists of a set of teeth fitted below the needle plate. It helps to move the cloth forward while sewing. Face plate is a removable side cover which gives access to the oiling points on needle bar, pressure bar and thread take-up. Bed is the flat portion of the machine and beneath is the feed dog where it is mounted and the shuttle and lower thread are placed. The stand carries the bed and the head of the sewing machine. It consists of drive wheel, belt guide, drive wheel crank, pitman rod, treadle and legs. Drive wheel drives the balance wheel through the belt. Belt guide, an indentation in the drive wheel that keeps the belt in place. Drive wheel crank turns the drive wheel. Pitman rod, a metal rod that connects the treadle and the drive wheel crank. Treadle, foot-operated platform used to run the machine. Legs, used to support the stand. Now let us learn about the correct sitting position while working in a sewing machine. Have a look at the pictures for the proper and wrong seating position. Don't hunch your shoulders or bend forward towards the machine. Center your body while seated in front of the sewing machine needle. Sit tall in a neutral position, natural S-shaped spine and relax your shoulders. While stitching on machine, light or window should face you from the left side. Height of the stool or chair should be according to the body height, that is, while stitching, the upper body should not be blended. Don't sit on the edge but on the middle of the seat. Take care that your clothes don't touch the machine. Set your feet in right position on the treadle. Set the belt on flywheel and treadle wheel. We have reached the end of this session on ergonomic principle of sitting on sewing machine. By now, you should be able to know about the sewing machine, list the major parts in sewing machine and describe the correct sitting position.